Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. The topic today we discuss is about carbohydrates. As you know that carbo means carbohydrates are also called saccharides. The word, not world, word. Saccharide is derived from a Greek word saccharon. It means sugar. Saccharide is taken as unit monomer of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are classified into three groups. In this picture, you can see that carbohydrates, number one, monosaccharides, number two, disaccharides, and number three, polysaccharides. Mono mean one, glucose, fructose, and galactose. In next slide, you can see that about fructose, lactose, and sucrose. Monosaccharides are simple sugar. Mono mean single and saccharides mean sugar. They are composed of single sugar unit. Their formula CH2O. They generally contain carbon number from 3 to 7. Okay. Monosaccharides, they are sweet in taste. Next, disaccharides, maltose, lactose, sucrose. Polysaccharides हम डिस्कस करेंगे starches, fiber and glycogen. Main important point is about carbohydrates में हमारे पास three main types है monosaccharides, disaccharide and polysaccharides. I hope you understand these terms. Okay. Did you know there are three main types of carbohydrates in food? Starches, also known as complex carbohydrates, sugar, fiber. Monosaccharides. Previously, मैंने भी आपको बताया है, my dear, monosaccharides are polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketone. As you know that generally with unbranched C chain. The general formula of monosaccharide is CH2N. They are easily soluble in water. They cannot be hydrolyzed into simple sugar. In aqueous solution, most monosaccharides form rings. Okay, types of monosaccharides. Basically, there are four main types of monosaccharides. Tyrosises have three carbon. Tri mean three. Tetraosis mean four. Pentosises 5. Hexosises 6 carbons. Okay, fructose. In previous slides we discussed about monosaccharides. Monosaccharides हमारे पास sucrose भी था उसमें. It is a fructose में हमारे पास जो है fructose हम किसको कह रहे हैं? Sometimes called fruit sugar. A fructose naturally occurring sugar है found primarily in fruits such as apple. Fructose जो है वो monosaccharide है. Remember that. Understand my point? Fructose में हमारे पास monosaccharides और इसमें 4 कैलोरीज होते हैं पर ग्राम में. C6H12 12 O 6. Understand my point? Chemical formula, ठीक है, of monosaccharides, या हम फ्रक्टोज में जो मोनोसैक्राइड्स की बात कर रहे हैं उसका केमिकल फार्मूला क्या है? C6H12O6. C mean carbon, H mean hydrogen, O mean oxygen. Remember that this is the food chain of the fructose. Means कि ये आपका ऐसे आपका बनेगा, ठीक है, like this. Count this: 1, 2, C6H12O6. Disaccharides mean the sugar composed of two monosaccharides are called disaccharides. These sugars are linked by glycoside linkage. Okay. A disaccharide also called double sugar or biols. If you can't understand this term, you can see in the description also. Is the sugar found when two monosaccharides are joined by glycosidic linkage. Which disaccharide is found in milk? Lactose is the major disaccharide found in milk and it is catabolized into glucose and galactose, the enzymes. Remember this time also. जिसके आगे ASE एज होगा उसको हम एंजाइम्स के साथ करेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? फॉर एग्जांपल लैक्टोज, ग्लैक्टोज ऐसे आ गया है, ग्लूकोज. Understand my point? Okay, disaccharide is the sugar of a carbohydrate composed of two monosaccharides. It is found when two sugars are joined together. Previously, I discussed about disaccharides. Okay, general formula of disaccharide is C12H22O11. This is the formula, chemical formula, a general formula of disaccharides. They are less sweet in taste, they are less soluble in water, they yield two monosaccharides or hydrolysis. Again, I am repeating, they are less sweet in taste, they are less soluble in water. There are three important disaccharides: sucrose, lactose, and maltose. Okay, what are the four main examples of polysaccharides? Polysaccharides means polymer of many monosaccharides is called polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are macromolecules. Polysaccharides show following characters. ठीक है, अब इसमें क्या है? They are tasteless and springly soluble in water. Understand my point? Starch, glycogen, cellulose, heparin, and peptidoglycan are all examples of polysaccharides. Listen, my dear. If any question about the main types of carbohydrates and any question about carbohydrates, you can ask. If any question you have. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.